So in my heart, every time I cook, I just wish my cooking can just come out of the screen for you guys to have a taste of it. So in my today's video, I'm going to be showing two recipes that I've combined together in this video. So if you're new here, you're welcome to the channel. Please endeavor to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. I know the video has only just begun, but please subscribe to the channel. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate all of you. So as you can see, I'm not a professional, but I do my best to make sure that I come out with something very nice. So I've finished dissecting it. You can see it looks very neat because I needed to take the bone out of the breast area. So I'm now going to be scoring the chicken. Scoring the chicken means putting some incisions on the chicken, whereby when I sauce it or when I season it, the season can go into the chicken properly. So I will be doing the same thing with the second chicken, and right now I'll be showing you all the ingredients. I like to use different kind of ingredients, for seasoning my chicken. I use everything in short. You can see them. I have some soya pepper, I have salt, I have my crushed knorr, I have my black pepper, I have my thyme, I have my chicken seasoning, I have my barbecue seasoning. So I'm going to be putting everything together. I've got my garlic, I've got so many things that I'll be using in this for seasoning my chicken. So I'm now going to be combining everything together. So guys, please don't skip this video. Please watch my ad. I will really appreciate it. This is where I make money on my video. So you can see here I am now combining everything together, and also you'll be using my Maggi aroma. So combining everything together, and I will now be pouring some oil. So this vegetable oil will allow the seasoning to stick very well to the body of the chicken. So like I was saying, guys, make sure you write a comment down for me and tell me what you feel about this video. So here I make sure that I'm wearing a glove so that I will be able to massage the seasoning onto the chicken very well. Please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and put down a beautiful, lovely comment for me. Yeah, if you think you have your own opinion about my video, please let me know. I'm very quick to correction. I'm open to your opinion, and yeah. So I'm massaging the seasoning onto the chicken right now, and yes, to make sure that everything goes in well, into the chicken. So please guys, continue to watch and see every other thing that I'll be doing with the chicken. So I finished marinating the chicken and I've laid it down on a tray. So my oven is being preheated right now, and here this is what I have with it. I've got some potatoes. So the potatoes are frozen, and I've got some mixed pepper, and I've got my scotch bonnet. I've got garlic, which I have laid on top of this chicken, and I'm now going to be greening. I've got some tomatoes too on it. So here, this is the chicken half done. So this is like half of the timing. So let me tell you, the oven has been preheated to 250 degrees. So but I've reduced it again so that it can slowly cook. So now the chicken, I'm going to be turning the chicken all around, and I will be showing you what I will be doing with all this pepper which I have done. The potatoes are ready, and I've taken the potatoes out. So I will be taking out the pepper right now, and I will be